everybody, we're here at Cartwright Park today, gonna go for a little hike. It is super accessible from Kamloops. It's great for any level of hiker. And as you probably noticed, it's a little snowy. So I've got my base layer of merino wool, a nice comfy sweater, a down vest. I've got a jacket in my backpack just in case it gets colder. And it wouldn't be a November hike without some hot chocolate.
Okay, so we're on Cartwright. Looks like it's gonna snow today. At least that's what the forecast said. It's a lot different from the other day of hiking at Peterson Creek.
One of the best parts about the trails here in Kamloops is they're all really well marked, and they have a system for rating how difficult the trails are. So there's just like the ski system, there's green, black, and blue on difficulty of trails. And green are your easy trails for nice strolls with your grandma. Blue is a little more challenging if you're going out with a group of friends, and black is if you really want to get a good exercise hike in.
So the best part about Kamloops is the accessibility to a range of parks. You've got Cartwright here, we have Peterson Creek Park right in town. If on a nice day like this, you can see it's pretty snowy, but it's very close to town if you do get stuck. I like hiking because you can disconnect but connect.
I like hiking because it gets me out into nature and allows me to relax.
I like hiking in Kamloops because this is the most beautiful place in the world.